What's up, adventurers? Do something a little different today. My mama been wanting her a weed eater she can use, so she went and bought her one. Harbor Freight special. Let's see how good, bad, ugly it is. I have not even looked at it. One of these days I'll turn my notification off when I'm doing video. Probably not. I'm never that smart. Talk about why y'all are watching this and not a fishing video. Me and Buck went out Saturday to a new lake, new to both of us. He had fished it when he was a kid, I fished it from the bank. And we went out in the boat, his boat. I caught probably the second biggest fish I've caught this year. Probably 4 casts, 5 casts deep on a spinnerbait, or not a spinnerbait, but a crankbait for 6 cents. Imagine that. Well, I did something wrong with the camera and I didn't get the footage. I'm not quite sure. I think I had it set on the mode I got it set on right now, and I think that was the problem. I usually run it on the looping mode, but it didn't happen. Instructions. Really? This is a Hyper Tough HT charge, 20 watt max string trimmer. Oh, and it's already got a string on it. That's handy. Alright, I'll come back in a minute when I start putting it together. I had to go find my Harbor Freight screwdriver to put together the Harbor Freight weed string trimmer. Whatever, cordless string trimmer. I doubt what I put a link in the description to this, people. I'm not a big fan on most Harbor Freight stuff. I like some of their tools, but equipment like this, we'll see. A little baggie right there, I don't know, they might be selling drugs up there. Ah, top rips off easy. Tight and sticky. All the screws look the same. She also bought a pole saw, which was a hell of an idea. Hell of an idea. Because we need it. You can look around here, we need a pole saw. I'm always too cheap to buy one. Well, I was intending that's what this video was going to be, an unboxing of it. I get to looking at the box, and let's just say it wasn't cordless. I can deal with an electric one, but it's going to have to be cordless. Now, so far, I'm going to rate this as easy to put together. I'm going to give them thumbs up there. because I'm not very mechanical and I got it put together. Just about. Pretty simple when everything's one way. The only way you can do it's the right way. I wish life was like that. That's pretty firmly attached. Oh, you can adjust it. That's cool. You can use it as an edger. Oh, wow. I won't have to crawl on my knees to use it like I thought I was. Hope y'all in frame. This is a simple idea to put the handle on. You just mash these two things in. And there, it's locked in. You mash it and you can adjust it. Wow. Now let's see what the odds are of the battery having any charge at all in it. Probably little to none. Simple. Watt battery. Oh yeah, we got a little juice, y'all. A little. Let's see if it'll even cut these little ones down over here. Y'all wondering what the pile of wood is right there? We got big plans up here on the hill. I'm rather impressed with it. I'm not sure what she paid for it. Probably not her price. I have to ask her. I'll put that in the description. I don't think it was very high. I know my mama. Strength's up, easy storage. Midget can use it. Oh, I mean a little person. I didn't mean to say midget. Don't want to offend anybody. Hey, if you were looking for a cheap string trimmer for somebody that don't really need one, there you go. Hadn't watched any of this video, see if I'm in frame or not. I know generally when I'm sitting down on tailgate with GoPro I am. Had big plans of getting y'all some better audio today, but we forgot all about that. Let's get it at the end though. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright. Kinda impressed with a little cheap string trimmer. Y'all tell me if y'all can tell the difference on the audio right here. I'm probably gonna start wearing this when I'm fishing. And tell y'all, maybe by next week, we might be back to Big John's life. The fishing videos aren't doing good, and I've got some other projects I want to start. Gonna start. I'm still gonna fish and hunt, but I got a bunch of stuff around here needs done, and I just show y'all how a redneck could do it. Hope everybody's staying safe from the coronas. Quit touching your face. Kind of hard to say. Somebody puts a dip in his mouth 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Oh well. Looks like they're finna start turning people back to work. That's a good thing. I want to mention something. I know a bunch of y'all probably got stimulus. My mom did. I probably won't. Contract work. I'm not filling out all the paperwork. Just not gonna happen. It's not enough to be worth it to me. Spice may get some. We don't know. But if y'all are here for the fishing and you got a stimulus check, go spend a little bit with a fishing company, a bait company, whoever. A bunch of places, there's just not anybody spending any money on it. There's still a bunch of people fishing, but they're not spending any money on it. Real small group of people, they need help too, just like everybody else. Fishing community is pretty tight-knit. I know the boat community, the boat sellers, I know they're suffering. Nobody's gonna go spend $80,000 on a bass boat right now. If they do, they're not as smart as me. And that's bad. But hope y'all enjoyed this. I may even try to put a link to it. Like I say, I was kind of impressed. I don't know how well it'll hold up. We're not going to do a durability test on it. Mom wouldn't forget me for that. But I know if I run it long, it won't hold up long. But I can tear a steel gas-powered one up pretty damn quick. I'm not nice to equipment. I'm not the one you want to hire to work on stuff like that. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all stayed this long in the video. Hope y'all got something out of it. If you're new to the channel, if you found this looking this up, please subscribe, share, like. I'm going to be doing more unboxings and things like this. I'm going to actually start doing lure unboxings too. I hadn't done one of them in a long time, and I just always forget. I mean, I buy a little bit here and there. I don't have a bunch of money, but I buy a little bit here and there and I forget. Alright, y'all. Have a good one, and we gone. Oh yeah, tell me if y'all can tell a difference in the audio from the outro to the rest of the video. I'm gonna listen and see if I can while I'm editing the video. And we're gone for sure now.